Good morning students. Myself Sujata, working as Assistant Professor in SDC Degree College, Kolam. In this session, I am going to teach about the numerical methods for initial value problems. So before going to the methods, let us see the definition of initial value problem. So for this, we have to consider the first order and first degree differential equation, which is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. There will be given initial conditions of the form y of x naught is equal to y naught. This means the value of y at x naught is y naught. So the problem of finding the value of y with the given initial conditions is called an initial value problem. So we have the following four numerical methods for finding the initial value problems. First one is Taylor series method, second one Euler's method, third one modified Euler's method, fourth one Runge-Kutta method. Now I will teach about Taylor series method to find the value of y about the initial condition x naught. So the expansion of y of x about x naught is given by y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught by 1 factorial y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus so on. Here y dash of x naught is the first order derivative or the first derivative of the function y with respect to x about the point x naught. Similarly, y double dash of x naught implies or indicates the second derivative of y about the point x naught. Similarly, y triple dash of x naught is the third order derivative of y of x about the point x naught. Now, let us solve one problem based on Taylor series method. The question is like this: use Taylor series method to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1 and 0.2 considering terms up to the third degree, and has given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1. Solution: given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square, means this is your y dash of xy, because dy by dx is also denoted by y dash. So dy by dx is y dash of x whose value is x square plus y square, and the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 1. In the general method of Taylor series method, we have used the initial condition as y of x naught is equal to y naught. Now compare these two equations. In place of x naught, it is 0. So x naught value is 0 and y naught value is 1. So on comparing these two, we have x naught is equal to 0, y naught value is equal to 1. First we write down the formula for Taylor series method. We have y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught plus so on. As the question is up to third degree, we have to stop x minus x naught whole to the power 3 by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught. If the question is for fourth degree, you have to extend the formula for x minus x naught whole to the power 4 by 4 factorial y fourth derivative and x naught plus so on. So in this question, he has asked up to third degree, no need of finding fourth derivative. In this formula, first we need y of x naught value. So y of x naught, what is your x naught value? So x naught here is 0. So y of 0, he has given y of 0 value is 1. The initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1, therefore y of x naught value itself is 1. Now find out y dash of x naught. Y dash of x value is x square plus y square. So y dash of x is x square plus y square. We need to find the value of y dash at x naught. So write y dash of x naught is equal to x naught square plus y naught square. Because at the point x is equal to x naught, your y value will be y naught. So here this will become y dash of x naught is equal to x naught square plus y naught square. Here y dash of x naught is y naught. So y of x naught can also be denoted by y naught. So x naught square, x naught value is 0, y naught value is 1. So 0 square plus 1 square is 1. So y dash of x naught or y dash of x naught value 0. So y dash of 0 value is 1. This can also be denoted by y naught dash is equal to 1. Next we take y double dash of x naught value. So this is equation number 1. So this is your y dash of x value. Y dash of x is x square plus y square. To find y double dash of x, you have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So y dash of x differentiation is y double dash of x square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation 2y into y dash. Now we have to find the value of y double dash of x naught. So at the point x naught, this equation becomes y double dash of x naught is equal to 2x naught plus 2y naught into y naught dash. Now substitute the values of x naught, y naught and y naught dash in this equation. We get y double dash of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 2 into y naught value. So y of x naught is denoted by y naught, that is y of 0 value is 1, which is y naught value. So y naught value here is 1 into y naught dash value is 1. Substitute this value here. This is equal to 2 into 0 0 plus 2. It is 2. So y double dash of 0 value is 2. Now we need y triple dash of value. Triple dash of x value. For that, we have to differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So to find the value of y triple dash of x, we have to differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. It is differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Y double dash of x differentiation is y triple dash of x, that is equal to 2 into x differentiation is 1 plus 2 into, here we have two functions, product of two functions, so we have to apply product rule, plus 2 into, keep first function as it is, differentiation of y dash is y double dash plus y dash will be as it is, derivative of y is y dash into y dash. 2 plus 2 into y double dash plus y dash into y dash is y dash square. This is y triple dash of x value. But actually we need y triple dash of x naught value. Here your x naught value is 0. So at x is equal to x naught, this equation will become y triple dash of x naught is equal to 2 plus 2 into y naught double dash plus y naught dash whole square. Now substitute the values of y naught double dash and y naught dash. This is equal to 2 plus 2 into y naught value is 1, y naught double dash. So y naught double dash value is 2 plus y naught dash value is 1 square. that is equal to 2 plus 2 into 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, this is equal to 8. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is your y triple dash of x naught value. Now we got all the values. It is y dash of x naught value, y double dash of x naught value and y triple dash of x naught value. Now substitute all these values in the main formula. Substitute the values of y of x naught, y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught and y triple dash of x naught. So before substituting the values, we have to mention here x naught value. It is that x naught value is 0. Y of 0 plus x minus 0 by 1 factorial, y dash of 0 plus x minus 0 whole square by 2 factorial, y double dash of 0 plus x minus 0 whole cube by 3 factorial, y triple dash of 0. So y of 0 value is 1, x minus 0 is x, 1 factorial value is 1, y dash of 0 value 1 plus x minus 0 is x, x whole square, x square, 2 factorial value is 2, y double dash of 0 value. So y double dash of 0 value is 2 plus x minus 0 is x, x cube by 3 factorial value is 6 into y triple dash of 0. So y triple dash of 0 value is 8. 8. So 2 3s are, 2 4s are, here 2 2 cancels. So finally you get 1 plus x square plus 4 by 3 x square. So this is the value of y of x. Now in the question, he is asking to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1 and 0.2. That means in the first case, you have to put x is equal to 0.1, there will get one answer. In the second case, take x is equal to 0.2, for that we will get the second answer. So call this as equation number 3. Now put x is equal to 0.1. Put x is equal to 0.1 in equation 3. That is y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square plus 4 by 3 into 0.1 whole cube. So after solving all these values, we will get 1.113. So this is the value of y of 0.1 or y of x value at x is equal to 0.1. Next, we have to put x is equal to 0.2 in equation 3. So, x is equal to 0.2 in equation 3 is y of 0.2 is equal to 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square plus 4 by 3.2 whole cube. So after simplifying all these values, we will get 1.2507. So this is the value of y of x at x is equal to 0.2. Now the second question is, use Taylor series method to find y at x is equal to 1.1 and 1.2, considering terms up to third degree, given that dy by dx is equal to x plus y and y of 1 is equal to 0. So this is your y dash of x variable and this is your initial condition. That is y of x naught is equal to y naught. That means the value of x naught is 1, the value of y naught is 0. So here x naught value is 1, y naught value is 0. Let us solve this problem. Given y dash of x is equal to x plus y. Again here also he is asking up to third degree terms. So we need to find up to third order derivatives. First differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Again y double dash of x is equal to differentiation of x is 1. Derivative of y is y dash. Again differentiate this with respect to x. We get y triple dash of x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of y dash is y double dash. Now the Taylor series formula is y of x is equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught by 1 factorial y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square by 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught. Here substitute the value of x naught. X naught value is 1. Substitute this here. Y of 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 factorial into y dash of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 factorial into y double dash of 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 1. Here our values are y dash of x, y double dash of x and y triple dash of x. But we need the values of y dash of 1, y double dash of 1 and y triple dash of 1. So here y dash of x naught, find out the value of y dash of x naught. So when x is equal to x naught, your y value will be y naught. So x naught plus y naught. What is your x naught value? X naught value is 1, x naught value 1, y naught value is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. That is y dash of 1 value is 1. This is your y dash of 1 value. Now we will find out y double dash of x naught value. So y double dash of x naught is equal to 1 plus y naught dash. Because when x is equal to x naught, y will become y naught. So similarly, y double dash of x naught value will become 1 plus y naught dash. Here y naught dash value, y naught dash, this is your y naught dash value. Y naught dash of 1 is 1. Y naught dash of 1 is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So y double dash of x naught, that is equal to 1 plus y naught dash. Y naught is nothing but the value of y dash at x is equal to x naught. So here your x naught value is 1. Therefore y naught dash of 1, its value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is your y double dash of x naught value or y double dash of 1. Now similarly find out y triple dash of 1 value. So here we need y triple dash of 1. Y triple dash of x. Y triple dash of x is y double dash. At x is equal to x naught, this will become y triple dash of x naught and this will become y naught double dash or y double dash of 1. Because we are finding the value of y at x is equal to x naught. So y triple dash of x naught is y naught double dash. This is equal to y double dash of 1. So y double dash of 1 value is 2. So this is equal to 2. Now we got all the values. That is y dash of 1 value, y double dash of 1 value and y triple dash of 1 value. Substitute all these values in the formula. Call this formula as equation number 1. Substitute the values of x naught, y dash of x naught, y double dash of x naught and y triple dash of x naught in the Taylor series formula. So y of x is equal to y of your x naught value is 1 plus x minus x naught value 1, x minus 1 by 1 factorial into y dash of x naught value 1 plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial, y double dash of 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 1. Y of 1 value is 0 plus x minus 1 by 1 factorial value is 1 into y dash of 1. Your y dash of 1 value is 1 plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial value is 2 into y double dash of 1. So y double dash of 1 value is 2. Substitute here plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3 factorial value is 6 into y triple dash of 1. Y triple dash of 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 cancels. So here we get y of x is equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3. So this is the value of y of x. So y of x is x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole cube by 3. But the question is asking to find the value of y at x is equal to 1.1 and 1.2. So we need to find two values for y. First case, put x is equal to 1.1 and in the second case take x is equal to 1.2. Let us call this equation as equation number 2. Put x is equal to 1.1. Put x is equal to 1.1 in equation 2. It is y of 1.1 is equal to 1.1 minus 1 plus 1.1 minus 1 whole square plus 1.1 minus 1 whole cube by 3. So when you simplify this, we will get the answer as 0.11033. Next take x is equal to 1.2. Put x is equal to 1.2 in equation 3. Sorry, equation 2. It is y of 1.2 is equal to 1.2 minus 1 plus 1.2 minus 1 whole square plus 1.2 minus 1 whole cube by 3. So after simplification, we get 0.2426. So this is the answer for y of x at x is equal to 1.2. So at x is equal to 1.1, the value is 0.11033 and the value of y of x at x is equal to 1.2 is 0.24.